everyone. Our project is boost converter. In various applications, it is necessary to obtain from DC input voltage. Another was DC voltage is greater than the original due to this design of the booster converter DC and DC. Its convenient signs they allow the rise constant input voltage. Initial switch off. It is variable time when the PWM control to the transistor, and assuming that no time has less for the inductor to be charged. Because the diode is directly polarized, in the contact time, the capacitor begins to charge or to a voltage higher than the source due to the presence of the inductor that delivers more current to the circuit. Switch on. The transistor drives when the PWM control in its positive cycle polarity directed to the switch that acts as a closed switch. During this period, the inductor goes through the charging process to the input voltage. Input voltage is constant. There is a force on it where the current flowing through it rise. On the other hand, in the mesh formed by the capacitor and the low resistance, the voltage in the capacitor is greater than the input voltage the diode does not leak. So the capacitor begins in the charge the voltage in the resistance low. The discharge is the natural response on the capacitor with tau equal to RC.
The inductor, when connected to a constant voltage source, its voltage is giving us. Where to clear the current inductor, as in voltage is constant. Where it observes that the current flowing through the inductor has linear characters, but the current will increase as far as the real voltage source can sustain the current demand in a small time interval. In this moment, I tell you of different advantages of use the property circuits. Unlike common linear source, it allows to handle variable charge with an output voltage regulation near to the nominal voltage. And the number 2 is the converter can stack of the voltage at lowest component count possible. And the last is will set up the output voltage without a transforms. Now I show you the different applications. As switching regulator circuit in highly efficient with leg driver, or correction of power factor to enhance the energy quality of the drive for general purpose with electronic energy charge that require big rated power, for example motor. And they are used in regenerative braking of DC motors. Or bus converters are used in battery power application, where it is very contract to stack a greater number of batteries in series to achieve high voltage.